thanks for clicking on the video. Hope you have your coffee with you. I'm here at Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, and they're doing a food drive car show. It's the last one of the season, of the year. These are always awesome. This whole campus, the Fastlane campus, is incredible. All the showrooms full of awesome cars and awesome like vintage signs and lights. It is sick. It is really sick. So I took a lot of clips of those cars, and the pictures I took are gonna go on Sean's Coffee House Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a place I'm gonna be posting a lot of behind the scenes stuff, a lot of extra content, and a lot of photos from photography stuff. So now I'm going to my buddy Zach's house, and we're going down to Cape Girardeau for a birthday party. That's where I went to school, by the way. I'll see you guys when I'm at Zach's house.
Wow, isn't it awesome?
So I have my other ladder that goes here, and they didn't send the hardware for it, but the hardware is arriving today. So when I get back to the house tomorrow, I'm gonna install the other ladder.
That's fun.
So yeah, I'll pick up the video then. With that, the Gobi rack is 100% complete. I got the other ladder on, and now it's done. Overall, this Gobi rack, I think it looks sick. Everything fit together perfectly. Just had a couple small problems. You can check it out in the install video. If you didn't watch that video, definitely check it out. And with the plans that I have for the Jeep and the trips I'm gonna go on, this roof rack is gonna come in handy very often. So overall, I'm super stoked with how it turned out. And thank you all for watching. Come back next Sunday morning for the next video. Like and subscribe, and peace.